friends, today we are going shopping. After a long time we are going outside to buy some home decor for our new house. So we finally selected to go and pick up some items from IKEA. It's located in financial district Hyderabad. And lakhs of people said it's a big platform for home furniture, designs and ideas. Thus we are going from LB Nagar to Mindspace Road. You should plan for shopping minimum 3 to 4 hours. Let us see IKEA with my mobile visuals. There is a lot of parking space, so no need to worry where to park and how to go. In IKEA, every moment and every space is mesmerizing to see. Every article is impressive and beautiful. Designs also very different from Indian market. Spoon to chimney is very impressive, but everyone should check quality of the product before placing the order. I and my family spent 2 to 3 hours, but we did not see all spaces due to lack of planning. I bought reading lamps, bed sheets, curtains, fake plants, mini kitchen items. There is no such big traffic problems on Sundays, so you can also plan on weekends. like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next video.